In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new line in an Excel cell. Open Excel on your Windows computer and start a blank workbook. Once the sheet appears, click cell A1 at the top left of the grid so it's selected. You should now be looking at an empty workbook with A1 highlighted, and the Home tab visible in the ribbon across the top. Now start typing into cell A1. Type Jane Doe. Then, instead of pressing Enter by itself, hold Alt and press Enter. That moves the cursor down to a new line inside the same cell, which is the key action for this process. On the next line, type 123 Main Street. Once that line is entered, hold Alt and press Enter again. The cursor drops to another new line in that same cell. Now type Springfield 62704. After that, press Enter on its own to confirm the entry and exit the cell. At this point, the row may look taller than the others, but you might only see the first line clearly. Excel keeps the extra lines hidden until wrap text is turned on. Click cell A1 once to select it again. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon if it is not already active. In the Alignment group, click Wrap Text. This tells Excel to display all the lines that were added with Alt and Enter. If the column still looks too narrow, move your pointer to the right edge of the A column header. Then double-click to auto-fit the column width. You should now see all three lines stacked vertically inside cell A1. Next, let's add another line break to the existing cell. Double-click cell A1 to enter edit mode. You can also select the cell and press F2. Once you're editing the content, click where you want the new line to appear, such as at the end of the last line. Hold Alt and press Enter to insert another line break. Now type USA, then press Enter to confirm the change. The cell now contains 4 separate lines inside the same cell, and each line is visible because wrap text is enabled. This uses the same Alt and Enter shortcut whether you're creating the cell content from scratch or editing it later. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.